In this video, we're going to look at ways to make money with Canva. Canva is an amazing design tool that you can use for free. They also have a paid plan that's $12 a month. It is one of the best tools that you can use online for anything design-wise, and you can also make money in a lot of different ways. So in this video, we're going to go over 10 different ways to make money with Canva. The first way to make money with Canva is to make and sell Canva templates. This is a very popular way to make money with Canva. You can create templates on Canva that you can then sell to customers on sites like Etsy, and then the customer can edit the template on Canva itself. There are a lot of different types of templates you can make. You can make templates for social posts, invitations, planners, checklists, branding, ebooks, workbooks, course guides, presentations, and client packets for businesses that are service-based or things like real estate. The next way to make money with Canva is to sign up for their affiliate program and promote Canva as an affiliate. You can promote the Canva Pro program that is paid and make money every time you sign someone up and they are a Canva Pro member. This is something I do, and while it's not the highest paid affiliate program, it's something that I use, so it's really easy to add into videos and social and things like that. To make money as a Canva affiliate, you can share your link in a number of different ways. In YouTube videos, on social media, in blog posts, in your email newsletters. There's all sorts of ways to share your link so people will click through and you earn a commission when they make a purchase. The next way to make money with Canva is to become a Canva contributor. This is an easy process. You just sign up. It's very easy. You can be a professional designer or just a hobbyist who likes to create things. Then you upload your work, so you can upload items or collections, and it's things like photos, graphics, stickers, even videos. Canva will review it. They will look at it and see if it meets their standards in a few days, and then when they approve it, you can then earn money. So you earn money when items are used on Canva in people's projects, and there's no cost to list these items on Canva, so it's really a win-win. If you're already creating graphics for other platforms, you can list them on Canva as well, then get your payouts monthly for being a contributor. Next, you can create products to sell online. This is something that I do and love and teach a lot about on this channel. So it's creating things to sell like printables, wall art, PNG files, party signs, planners, cards, gift tags, and more. There's all sorts of products that you can create on Canva that you can then sell on sites like Etsy. I have a video of digital product ideas that you can create with Canva, so definitely check that out. There's several different videos. I will link them all down below to give you ideas on things that you can create and then sell online as a digital product. Another way you can create income online with Canva is to create designs for print on demand. So you can create designs that you then sell with print on demand, where they print items on these products as they are sold. This is a great way to do things where you don't have to carry inventory or create a lot of products you have on hand. So you can do this with print on demand sites like Redbubble, Teespring, Printful, and Printify. And you can make all sorts of products like t-shirts, hoodies, onesies, hats, mugs, posters, tote bags, stickers. There's a number of different things that you can create and then sell on your own or on these websites as well. Next idea for earning money with Canva is to create ebooks for Amazon KDP. So with Amazon KDP, you can make either regular ebooks that are actually written or low content books. This is a very popular online business idea that people talk about a lot. There's whole channels around it, and low content ideas for these books are things like journals, planners, quote books, recipe books, coloring books, activity books, log books, prompt journals. Things where you don't have to write an actual book, but you can create it in Canva and then export it and sell it on Amazon KDP. The next idea is one that is more traditional, and that is to sell your design skills. So if you are a designer, you would typically sell your design skills, and you can do this as a freelancer on freelance sites like Fiverr, Upwork, TopTal, or freelancer.com. You can also create portfolio sites on sites like Behance or Dribbble, and these sites also allow you to find jobs there and show off your portfolio at the same time. So once you pick a freelance job or apply for a listing and get hired, you would then create all of the designs on Canva, which is a really fast way to create designs. And if there is a project with multiple different designs, Canva is great for that. You can speed up your process very well, and it's a great way to earn money on the side. In addition to freelance sites, you can also look for clients locally. So you'll look for things like small businesses, colleges, people that are hiring out for actual jobs, and then things like smaller agencies where they need to outsource some of the work, or content creators, and looking for someone local that they can kind of work with and mastermind and meet in person for things that they need to be created online. So like thumbnails and things like that. The next way to earn money with Canva is to teach people how to use Canva. Everyone has a different ability with online software, and even though Canva bills itself as very easy to use, there are people that need help learning how to use it. So you can do coaching or small groups for things like small businesses locally, for schools, colleges, and do individual one-on-one coaching. Different ways that you can teach people how to use Canva and show them how to do specific things in Canva. Very similar to teaching how to use Canva on a personal basis, you can create a course on how to use Canva. So this is a way to teach people how to use Canva on a wider basis and reach more people. You can create a course to learn how to use Canva or how to create specific items on Canva. Canva can do a ton of different things and different people use it for different needs. So you can focus on one of those and teach people how to do a certain thing like create ebooks or how to create thumbnails, things that they can do easily on Canva and you can teach them how to do to save time and money. And the final way to make money with Canva is to create YouTube Canva tutorials. This is something I do. It's like this one. This is a different kind of Canva tutorial to what I normally do, but you can create Canva tutorials where you screen share your tasks. You can create Canva tutorials where you share tips and hacks. Then these videos will make money with ads and affiliate links. Canva and online software in general tends to be a higher CPM niche, so you'll earn a decent amount of money for showing how to do skills that you know yourself and can share with the world. Those are the 10 ways that you can earn money with Canva, things that you can do today, start today, and earn a decent amount of money. And as you grow, you can earn even a full-time living doing many of these things. It's pretty cool that you can earn a full-time living using a tool that is under $20 a month as your main platform for doing the work that earns so much money. It's quite a fantastic thing, so it's amazing that Canva is out there and it's so reasonably priced that people can do so much for free and so much with their paid program. So if you need links for Canva to sign up, I have them in the description box below if you want to start working with Canva and earn money as well. The links in the description box are affiliate links, so I will earn money if you make a purchase and I will get a commission for that. So thank you for supporting the channel. If you'd like to help in other ways, definitely give this a like and share it with anyone that might be wanting to earn money on the side as a side hustle.